Hey, what's up guys, Terex Mixtape God right here, taking you further and faster in your music career, giving you legitimate tips, ideas, unboxing videos just like this one, music gear reviews, okay, and giving you a lot of advice and personal things that I've actually gone through in my life in terms of music, okay. While you're at it, if you're new here, hi, my name is Terex, okay, and I want to be your friend, okay. So you should hit the subscribe button right down below, turn on the bell notification so when I do drop amazing videos just like this one, you are gonna be the very first one to see it, okay. And also drop me one of these because it does do the algorithm really good, so a lot more people can actually find this video and actually learn from this, okay. I love the community we got going on right here. You guys comment, you chat, it is really amazing. Thank you for sharing your stories with me. I am so happy to have you here, okay. Now if you can see the box that I have here, it is by Lauten Audio, okay, and I did receive this a couple of about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. Now big shout out to Lauten Audio for sending this over to me. I'm gonna leave the details right in the description box. The microphone, if you can see it, is right there. Beautiful microphone. This is what the packaging does actually look like, and we're gonna dive into this and I'm just gonna show you how the whole unboxing experience is. Right here we got the LA220, and while the video is going on, you might see something in the background that you actually really do love and you want to get for yourself. Some people would ask me, hey, what do you use to record your stills, what do you use to record this and that and all that kind of stuff, okay. So if you do see something, I try to leave affiliate links right down in the description box so you can actually grab that for yourself if you actually want to see. Another way you can actually support the channel and me, of course, is by grabbing one of these Jade Blacks, okay. They're amazing, they're really nice. You can actually get them prescribed, and if you do follow the link right down and use my code, you get 10% off if you grab any of this, okay. And third way they can actually support me is by becoming a Patreon. Now if you're not following me on Instagram, that is a real nice way for you to get connected with me, but I do take it a step further on my Patreon. Now it is not different from what you guys already do. You guys chat with me, we have video calls, we have voice calls, anything, all through Instagram. That is amazing, that is great. Thank you so much. I love it when y'all try to bring your problems to me and we can actually just try to fix those problems, okay. It gets really interesting. Without further ado, let's dive straight into this video.
Alright guys, so as always, I got a big box right here and I got my trusty knife and we are gonna cut this box right open. So guys, very first thing I will actually grill with are these marshmallow like looking things, and please don't eat that. Actually feels more like a foamy thingy, and I just feel like this is just to actually just like, you know, add some more padded protection because this is a microphone that is being shipped, okay. So I'm just gonna take this out real carefully and we reveal the other main box right here. So it does say at the top here that Lauten Audio, and this is the series Black. Now as mentioned before, there's a whole lot collection on the website and I'm just gonna link it right down in the description box so you guys can actually go check it out if you want to see something from Lauten Audio. Now one cool thing I actually like on the box here is where it says where professional recording begins, and I noticed something here with Lauten Audio is they are very confident in their products, and I really want this microphone here to be my new go-to microphone for my music, so I'm really looking forward to this one. So there's actually nothing else left in the box, so I'm just gonna put this aside and we're gonna get onto the main box. Now lifting this up real gently and carefully, the first thing I will actually greet it with is a little bit of thank you card, okay. And I noticed how a lot of manufacturers are actually putting this in a lot of their products these days, which I feel is a really nice touch. Next off, we got some paperwork here about the LA220. Be sure to have a look at that guys, because sometimes there's kind of some sort of information in here that you might actually just miss. Now taking the microphone out really carefully, and it actually sort of feels kind of light in my hands. I was expecting a little bit more weight to it, but it doesn't take the fact that this is actually really sleek and really beautiful, okay. Right here what I can feel is a sort of matte black textured design with a sort of all metal around it, although not the most sturdy or the most, you know, durable metal that I can feel here, but it is absolutely beautiful, okay. But make sure you don't drop this one. No matter the microphone, do not drop it guys, because that would not end well. So at the bottom here we have a standard connector here, nothing proprietary, so what I already use is definitely gonna work with this. Now moving on to what's left in the box, we see a microphone holder, and I absolutely really love these. It is nice for Lauten to actually include this. I mean, considering the price though, I mean, yeah, it is a really nice touch, okay. And this is really great because you can actually just put the microphone inside. It serves as sort of like a cushion just for your microphone just to be in there before you actually connect it to your microphone stand, or in my case my microphone arm. Now it's really dope as you can sort of like see through the internals of this microphone here. That is really cool. Now, just putting it quickly beside the Audio-Technica AT2020, we can see that this is a really different approach that Lauten here has decided to take with its microphones, okay? And let's not forget that there is actually a carrying cloth that actually does come with this. Now, it's just a simple cloth. It's not as sophisticated as something that's what you get like with a leather pouch, but I mean, they did give you this sort of nice, you know, holder for the microphone. So I'm kind of gonna say that that counts at least, but on the price point, you might disagree. If you do, tell me in the comment section right down below. And just putting it side by side some of the other microphones that I do have here, you can see that this sort of kind of like looks like the PRESONUS M7 here in that sort of approach, but this is a lot more premium than I would just tell you straight right off the bat. This is a lot more premium from the feel, from the way it, because I'm already using this actually, so I'm not going to spoil the review for you guys, but you're going to hear that in the full review coming up soon. So that's it with this, guys. A really premium, beautiful microphone right here. Tell me what it is that you want to see for the full review, okay? And be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so when I do drop that video, you absolutely would not miss it, okay? Peace out. Did I mention this cost about 300 American dollars?
And that's it for me with this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I got a lot of stuff right here in the studio. I've tried to if you can see, my camera is like a little bit tilted right now because I've done a lot of like work in here, and I'm still trying to get a lot more stuff in here and trying to make this place look as amazing as it can be. If you guys want a studio tour, I don't know, people do that on YouTube. If you guys want a studio tour, something like that, just let me know and I will definitely put one together. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I got a lot of stuff right here for you guys and it is gonna be amazing. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the very next video. Don't forget, guys, be unstoppable.